Okay, folks, Jim here. Time to put this guy back together now. That'd be nice. Okay, so clean inside here. Looked at it. There's no crazy cracks. Everything's good. I cleaned it out in the way far in the bore, and then I cleaned it out in where the ring grooves go and stuff like that. So, all right. And this here is all an assembly now. But how it came about was, um, one of these here, right? And then, well, of course, this here guy. He had to go and there's some little holes in there. He had to go that way there, and then on this one here, there's a little teeny E-clip type of thing, C-clip, E-clip. I don't know. I think this would be a E-clip. Anyway, it goes in the groove. Then you put the spring on pretty hard there, and I wish I would have went with this spring here. It seemed to be a little harder to get on there than it. You know what? I don't have to wish. I can do it. Ouch. I don't know. It seemed like he didn't want to go anywhere. So anyway, we'll put him back on there. Okay. I like this one. It just seems tougher. Even though that's the new one. And I don't know if I want a tougher one or not, but got it now, right? So I'll put some grease around these guys here so they go in. Oop, put some grease around these guys here so they go in a little bit better. Okay, so so then in order to get these cups on here, they don't come on. So if they do have an option to order for a few dollars more, even if it's $5 more, do it. But anyway, here you go. Here's what I did. I have a step up. I found out that step up is the same as round as this here. Okay, so got them on there, and see this one here's wore out, so it it goes on a little easier. But anyway, then you move it up to the next step, right? Whoa, that one went zipping up there with that grease on there. All right, so then see, I don't know if I'm putting this on the right way or not. I'm just putting on. See how they're the same. See, then I can just go like this here, kinda, and go. Oh. Ah, it didn't work. All right, well, you know what? Didn't work the first time on the other one either, so here we go. We'll do it again. We'll put everybody together there real nice. Get closer and go. All right, see, now that time went on. So that's how I did that. Okay, so everybody's cleaned up nice, no yuck. So I'm going to put this guy in there now. Kind of wiggle him in there nice a little bit. Oops, ugh, I have grease on there. So, oh yeah, push him down. So we got to push down, it felt positive. You could feel it. It wasn't just all bleh, falling right in. So, what we need to do next is get this ball. This washer fits down in the groove, and then this here goes into another. So I'm going to use I have my clamp on top already. So, yeah. And that's one of the things that didn't come in the new kit. That's kind of weird, maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's not. So here we go. We're going to try to get everybody in their little home, push them down. And that one in there. And then I'm going to look around to see who didn't make it in their little home, and then I'm try to weasel them in there. I'm gonna have to try. It's not just on one side, so I'm going to let's give it a little bit more of a squeeze. I think maybe give everybody a push. See if that didn't give me a little something more. Oh, it did, but not. There you go. There you go, folks. He's in there. There's a little groove in there, but just one edge isn't. Now what did you hear that? Snapped in all the way around. There's a little groove. Okay, you get it. So now what could happen is this guy goes here. This washer goes on top, and then this E-clip goes in there. Now this one here, I don't know if I even like this. I did it with a screwdriver the other day when I was taking stuff apart. And it was a little screwdriver. Now I have a big screwdriver here, so I don't know what that does exactly, except for makes it... Hey, you know what? I know what I can do there. I could get a wrench the same size as that, push down. You know what? I'll be right back, folks. I'm not going too terribly far. So, anyway, so skip ahead sometime during there and see where we all end up. Anyway, I'm coming back with a couple of wrenches here. There we go. I think the one's too big. The one will work, it looks like. Alright, so the big idea, go like this, push this down, push the clip in, right? That's the big idea. Can we get it like that? I don't know, but that's the big idea. I'm going to push down on this guy and see how far we can get down there without it's going to kill me. Oh, if I had another person, I could do that. But I do not have another person. So it'd be nice to have another person, but I don't. So, there you go, folks. You got that part. Once I put this part down, I'm going to figure out how to... Ooh, do you know what? I might just be strong enough to do it on my own. Maybe. Get my darn thing in there just a little bit right. Maybe I can shove everybody around a little bit. And maybe I can get it in there. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Now I need a thing called a pliers. I was not prepared for this video, folks, and I am not sorry. I just wasn't. We're not sorry. Man, that's just right there too. Oh, there you go. Okay, just kind of squeezing it a little bit in there now. Now I'm just going to push it down, kind of hopefully into place. Well, no. Yep, look at that. That thing is tough. So, have a friend do the wrench trick. You'll get it. I got it, right? So, hold. And I'm just Jim. So, here we go. We have this now going like that there. Oop, get it back in the picture thing. Put this guy back on. The heck? There we go. I guess that's why I have 7 kids. There we go. Kinda. Okay. There. Isn't that nice? Just what we want. Of course, cap goes on like that, but we're not ready for that yet. But I'll tell you, that fits tight. That's good though. Oh, put it down here. Sorry folks. That thing fits tight, so there you go. One rebuilt master cylinder. How do you like that? Tim saying, thanks for stopping.